a little parrot was swept far from his nest in a sudden storm. He was young, barely learning to fly, and every attempt to lift himself into the sky ended with him tumbling back down. His wings were small, his body trembled, but his determination never faded. From a distance, an old owl and his companion, a sparrow, watched quietly. The owl noticed something different in the little bird. Though weak and lost, he refused to give up. The parrot, still struggling, looked up at them with pleading eyes. He was lost, scared, and uncertain. But instead of sympathy, he was met with mocking words. The owl laughed at his weakness, and the sparrow chuckled beside him. The little parrot felt the sting of their laughter, but rather than sink into despair, he began to watch them carefully. He studied the rhythm of their wings, the way they caught the wind, the timing of their movements. Each mistake of his own became a lesson. Each fall, a step closer to rising. The owl soared above him again and again, circling with ease, only to return with sarcasm. Yet when the owl came back the last time, the little parrot was gone. Startled, the owl and sparrow searched the skies until they spotted him, not on the ground, but high above, gliding steadily through the air. The one they had mocked was now flying. The sparrow turned to the owl, confused. "You made fun of him, yet you smile now." The owl's eyes softened as he watched the young parrot soaring. He knew what had happened. The parrot had not listened to his words. He had watched his wings. By mocking him, by refusing to carry him, the owl had unknowingly awakened the strength that already lived within him. True strength was never given. It was discovered. The sparrow remained silent, realizing that sometimes help doesn't come in the form of kindness, but in challenge. And the parrot, once trembling and unsure, had found his wings because of it. True strength is not something handed to us. It is something awakened through struggle, pain, and perseverance. The storms we face are not meant to break us, but to call out the courage and resilience we didn't know we carried. Every fall, every failure, every doubt is part of the journey. What matters is that we rise again and again until the sky belongs to us.